Dear students, we shall work out problem number 5. Please see. Amar and Akbar jointly undertake to construct a building for ABC Limited for a contract price of rupees 50 lakhs payable as to 80% in cash and the balance in fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 100%. First of all, we have to know contract price received in cash and contract price received in the form of equity shares. Understand? Please see note, equity shares issued to joint venture. You already know total contract price rupees 50 lakh. Out of 50 lakh, 80% contract price received in cash. 80% means how much? Contract price received in cash 50 lakhs into 80%. Rupees 40 lakh received in the form of cash. When contract price received in cash, you already know the entry joint bank account detail to joint venture account. Understand? Next, remaining 20% received in the form of equity shares. 20% means how much? Contract price received in the form of equity shares. Total contract price 50 lakhs into 20% equal to rupees 10 lakh received in the form of equity shares. Next, you have to find out how many shares issued by ABC Limited to joint venture. Understand? Equity shares issued at a premium. Equity shares issued at a premium of 100%. In the problem, it was given that face value rupees 10 and issued at 100% of premium. Okay, share premium calculated on the face value. 10 into 100 by 100. How much? Is it 10? Yes. Then issue price how much? 10 plus 10. Face value plus share premium equal to issue price. Understand? Issue price rupees 20. Okay. Then find out number of equity shares issued by ABC Limited. Rupees 10 lakh divided by 20. How many shares issued? 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares issued by ABC Limited to joint venture. When contract price received in the form of shares, you already know the entry, equity shares account detail to joint venture account. Okay, understand? This one recorded in the credit side of joint venture account by equity shares. Got it? Next, please see problem. They opened a bank account in their joint name and deposited rupees 21 lakhs in the ratio of 2:1. When capital contributed by the co-venturer, you know the entry. Joint bank account detail to co-venturer account. Understand? This 21 lakh divided in the ratio of 2:1. They agreed to distribute first rupees 5 lakh of profits equally and the balance in the ratio of 2:1. While computing profit of venture, we have to take this information. Understand? Their transaction were as follows. Point A, material supplied by Amar rupees 70,000 when expenses incurred by the co-venturer relating to joint venture. You know the entry, joint venture account detail to Amar's account. Amar's account. Next, point B, wages paid rupees 6 lakh, materials bought rupees 9 lakh, mixture rupees 1 lakh and plant rupees 3 lakhs. These are the expenses incurred by the joint venture. Understand? When expenses incurred by the joint venture in relation to construction of building, entry joint venture account detail to bank account. Okay. These items recorded in debit side under one head, that is to joint bank account. Understand? Next, number C, expenses including insurance premium paid by Akbar rupees 40,000. When expenses incurred by Akbar, entry joint venture account debtor to Akbar's account, recorded in debit side of joint venture account. Next, number D, on completion of construction, the contract price was realized. When contract price realized, you already know the entry, okay? Contract price received in the form of cash, in the form of equity shares by joint bank account, by equity shares account. Two entries recorded in the credit side of joint venture account. Understand? Next, number E, Amar took over unused materials at rupees 40,000. When materials taken over by co-venturer, Amar's account debtor to joint venture account, recorded in credit side of joint venture account by Amar's account. Next, Akbar took over mixture at rupees 60,000. Same in when mixture taken over by Akbar, entry Akbar's account debtor to joint venture account, recorded in the credit side of joint venture account by Akbar account, by Akbar's account 60,000. Next, plant was sold at rupees 1,85,000. When plant sold, entry joint bank account debtor to joint venture account, recorded in the credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account. Understand? Next, materials costing rupees 20,000 stolen against which claim of rupees 15,000 was received. When claim received in relation to materials stolen, entry joint bank account debtor 15,000 to joint venture account 15,000. Understand? 20,000 ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಳ್ಳತನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ 15,000 ಪರಿಹಾರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 15,000 ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೆನ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ in the credit side of joint venture account by joint bank account 15,000. Next one, point number F. Amar took up 60% of the shares and Akbar took up the balance share at an agreed valuation of 15 per share. This one considered while ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಕೋ-ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಕೋ-ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್ ಬೈ ಅಮರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಜಿ, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್. ವೆನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್, ಯು ನೋ ದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೋ-ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? This is the last entry to be passed in co-venturers account. Okay. After this entry passed to joint bank account to close joint bank account. Understand? Next, prepare joint venture account, joint bank account and accounts of Amar and Akbar. Okay, we shall work out ledger accounts one by one. Next, write down solution. First, write down books of Amar and Akbar. Next, in the middle of the page, write down joint venture account. Draw necessary columns. Please write rupees in amounts column. Completing. Next, please see. Amar and Akbar jointly undertake to construct a building for ABC Limited for a contract price of rupees 50 lakhs payable as to 80% in cash and the balance in fully paid equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 10 each at a premium of 100%. First entry, when contract price received received in the form of cash and equity shares. You know the entry, joint bank account detail to joint venture account, equity shares account detail to joint venture account. Okay, write down these two entry on credit side of the joint venture account. By joint bank account, you already calculated amount, contract price received in cash 40 lakhs. Write in amount column 40 lakhs. Next, in the form of equity shares, 50,000 equity shares issued, issue price 20. 50,000 into 20, how much is it? 10 lakhs. Okay, by equity shares account, 10 lakhs. Completed. You may also refer note 1. Okay, write in bracket, contract price received. Refer note 1. Next, they opened a bank account in their joint name and deposited rupees 21 lakhs in the ratio of 2:1. This entry recorded in joint bank account and co-ventures account. Leave it. They agreed to distribute first rupees 5 lakh of profit equally and the balance in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, this information shall be taken into account at the time of distribution of profit of venture. Okay, leave it. Next, their transaction were as follows. Point A, material supplied by Amar rupees 70,000. I already told you entry joint venture account detail to Amar's account. Write down debit side to Amar's account 70,000. Write in bracket material supplied. Next entry. Point B, wages paid, materials bought, mixtures, plant rupees 3. The expenses incurred in relation to construction of building. When expenses incurred, entry joint venture account detail to joint bank account. Right, one by one. Debit side to joint bank account, wages inner column 6 lakh, materials 9 lakh, mixture 1 lakh, plant 3 lakhs. Yes, totally is it 19 lakh. Last column write down 19 lakh. Amount column write down 19 lakh. To joint bank account, amount column 19 lakh. Next entry. Expenses including insurance premium paid by Akbar 40,000. When expenses incurred by Akbar, I already told you joint venture account detail to Akbar's account. Write down debit side to Akbar's account. To Akbar's account 40,000. Write in bracket expenses paid. Completed. Next, on completion of the construction, the contract price was realized. This one already recorded by joint bank account by equity shares account. Understand? Next, number E. Amar took over unused materials at rupees 40,000. When materials taken over by Amar, entry Amar's account detail to joint bank account. Write down credit side by Amar's account, amount 40,000. Write down credit side by Amar's account 40,000. Write in bracket materials taken over. Next entry. Akbar took over mixture at rupees. Entry Akbar's account detail to joint venture account. Write down credit side by Akbar's account. How much? Is it 60,000? Write down by Akbar's account 60,000. Right in bracket, mixture taken over. Next, plant was sold at rupees 1,85,000. When plant sold, you know the entry, joint bank account debtor to joint venture account. Okay, we credited to joint joint venture account, hence recorded on credit side by joint bank account 1,85,000. 1,85,000. Next, materials costing rupees 20,000 stolen against which claim of rupees 15,000 was received. Okay, when claim received entry, joint bank account debtor to joint venture account 15,000, 15,000. Right in credit side. Okay, by joint bank account 15,000. Right in bracket, claim received. Completing. Next, please see problem. Amar took up 60% of the shares and Akbar took up the balance shares at an agreed valuation of rupees 15 per. You already know this one. ABC Limited paid rupees 10 lakhs in the form of equity shares by issuing 50,000 equity shares at rupees 20 per share. 10 plus 10 at rupees 20 per share. Now that equity shares, at the completion of the construction of the building, okay, joint venture comes to an end. Okay, the equity shares issued by ABC Limited taken over by Amar and Akbar at rupees 15 per share. ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ABC ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ನವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 50,000 ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಶೇರಿಗೆ 20ರಂತೆ ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಆ 50,000 ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಶೇರಿಗೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯಂತೆ ಅಮರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ನಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? Next, you have to find out whether joint venture incurred profit or loss on issue of shares to Amar and Akbar. ಅಮರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಆ 50,000 ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಶೇರಿಗೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ ನಂತರ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲಾಭ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟದು? 5 rupees per share. 50,000 into rupees 5. How much? Is it 2,50,000? 2,50,000 ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಈ 2,50,000 ಅನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು shares issued to Amar and Akbar, entry joint venture account debtor to equity shares account. Joint venture account debtor to equity shares account. Understand? Write down this entry in joint venture account. Okay, to Akbar's account over, you debited joint ventures account to equity shares. Write down debit side to equity shares account. Write in bracket contract price given in the form of equity shares. How much? 10 lakhs. Please see credit side by equity shares 10 lakhs. ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. 10 lakhs minus 50,000 equity shares taken over at rupees 15 per share. 50,000 equity shares taken at rupees 15 per share. Understand? 50,000 into 15, how much? Is it 7,50,000? This 7,50,000 calculated like this. 50,000 shares into rupees 15 agreed price. Understand? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7,50,000. 10 lakh minus 7,50,000. How much? Is it 2,50,000? 2,50,000 recorded in amount column. Okay. Write down to equity shares account 2,50,000. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ABC Limited 20 minus agreed price upon which Amar and Akbar takes over shares. ಎಷ್ಟದು 15. 20 minus 15 5 rupees ಅಲ್ವಾ. 50,000 into 5. Yes, to equity shares account 2,50,000. Right in bracket, loss transferred. Understand? Next entry. Okay, number F over. Number G, accounts were settled. Okay. Yes, we recorded all entries relating to joint venture. Next, leave 5 lines. Find out which side shows more balance. Okay. Find out which side shows more balance. I think credit side shows more balance. 40 lakh plus 10 lakh, 50, 51, 52, 52 lakhs 85,000 plus 15,000, 53 lakhs. Write in credit side 53 lakhs. Leave 5 lines. Okay. Next, write in debit side 53 lakhs. 53 lakhs minus 70,000. Minus 19 lakhs minus 40,000 minus 2,50,000. Is it 30,40,000? Check it. 30,40,000. Yes. Okay, 30,40,000. Right in debit side about total. Understand? Debit side write down to co-venturers account. Write in bracket profit of venture. Okay, next please see problem. How profit of venture distributed among partners, among co-venturers. Please see. They agree to distribute first rupees 5 lakh of profits equally. Okay. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ 5 ಲಕ್ಷವನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1:1. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 5 lakhs in the ratio of 1:1. Understand? 1:1 means 2,50,000, 2,50,000. Understand? Next, and the balance in the ratio of 2:1. Balance divided in the ratio of 2:1. Balance how much? Out of 30,40,000, 5 lakh distributed equally. Remaining balance 30,40,000 minus 5 lakh. Is it 25,40,000? 25,40,000 distributed in the form of 2:1. 2:1. Understand? First, find out 25,40,000 into 2/3. How much? Compute ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2,50,000 add ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Add rupees 2,50,000 to that amount. Is it 19,43,333? 19,43,333. Completed. Next, find out profit of share of profit of Akbar. Same 25,40,000 into 1/3. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2,50,000. Understand? Is it 10,96,667? 66.66. Make it 67. If there is fraction, if there is any fraction, it has to be converted into nearest rupees. Understand? Check it. Correct. Okay. Share of profit of Amar 19,43,333. Akbar 10,96,667. Joint venture account over. Next, prepare joint bank account. In the middle of the page, write down joint bank account. Next, draw necessary columns. Write rupees in amounts column. Completed? Yes. While working out joint bank account, please see problem and joint venture account. Understand? First, please see problem. Normally, first entry recorded relating to contract price received or contribution made by the partner in relation to joint venture. Understand? Yes. Please see problem. Okay, contract price given in the problem 50 lakhs. Out of 50 lakhs, 80% received in cash. When contract price received in cash, you know entry joint bank account entered to joint venture account. Please see joint venture account credit side. By joint bank account 40 lakhs. Understand? Transfer this to debit side of joint bank account. Joint venture account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Write down debit side to joint venture account 40 lakhs. Joint venture account 40 lakhs. Right in bracket contract price received. Completed. Next, please see problem. They opened a bank account in their joint name and deposited rupees 21 lakh in the ratio of 2:1. When capital contributed by the co-venturer entry, joint bank account entered to co-venturer's account, to Amar's account, to Akbar's account. Understand? 21 lakh contributed in the ratio of 2:1. Okay. Yes, write down debit side joint bank account enter to Amar's account, to Akbar's account. Right in bracket capital contribution 21 lakhs in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1. Understand? Find out each co-venturer's contribution. 21 lakhs into 2/3. Is it 14 lakhs? Okay, to Amar's account, write in amount column 14 lakhs. Next, 21 lakhs into 1/3. Is it 7 lakhs? Write down to Akbar's account 7 lakh. Understand? ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೊದಲು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಬಟ್ you have to record these entries on the debit side of joint bank account. Understand? Next. Okay. You have to see problem for only these two entries. ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 19 lakhs. ಓಕೆ, post this to credit side of joint bank account. Write down by joint venture account 19 lakh. Write in bracket wages, materials, mixture, plant. Right. Next, again please see debit side. Any other entries to be recorded? No. Next, please see credit side. By joint bank account, this one already recorded. Okay. Next, any other entry? Yes. By joint bank account 1,85,000. Okay, transfer this entry to debit side. Write down to joint venture account 1,85,000. Write in bracket plant sold. Next, same credit side. By joint bank account 15,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 15,000. ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್. Completed. Next, any other entries to be recorded? No. Okay, we recorded all entries. Okay. Next, to close a joint bank account, we have to transfer co-venturers balance to joint bank account. Understand? Leave one line. Next, prepare co-venturers account. Okay, draw necessary column. Amount column write down Amar Akbar. Credit side also write down Amar Akbar. Please write rupees in amounts column. Understand? While working out co-venturers account, first see joint bank account. Next, see joint venture account. Completed? Yes. Please see joint bank account. Debit side, capital contribution. Okay, to Amar's account 14 lakh, to Akbar's account 7 lakh. Okay, transfer this entry. Write it in credit side. By joint bank account, Amar's column write down 14 lakhs. Next, Akbar's column write down 7 lakhs. Okay, bracket nalli bekidre barkolli capital contribution. Write in bracket capital contribution. Understand? Next, over. Next, please see joint venture account. Debit side, to Amar's account 70,000. Okay. Next, any other co-venturers account credited? Yes. To Akbar's account 40,000. 2 entries recorded on debit side of joint venture account. Okay. ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಟರ್ ಟು ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ by joint venture account, Amar column write down 70,000. Next, Akbar's column write down 40,000. Completed. You may also write narration, materials supplied, expenses paid anta baribodu. Materials supplied, expenses paid. Next, any other entries? relating to co-venturer, yes. 2 Amar's account 70,000 over, 2 Akbar's account 40,000 over, 2 co-venturers account. Okay, post this entry to credit side of co-venturers account. Okay, credit side by joint venture account amount. Amar's column write down 19 lakh 43,333. Next, Akbar's column write down 10 lakh 96,667. 7. Completed. Write in bracket profit of venture. Next, please see joint venture account. Okay. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್, ಬೈ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಲೀವ್ ಇಟ್, ಬೈ ಅಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. Okay, by Akbar's account. 2 entries are there. You can write these 2 entry in one entry. You know entry co-venturers account letter to joint venture account. Okay, 40,000 Amar column, 60,000 Akbar's column. Okay, write down. To joint venture account, 40,000 in Amar's column, 60,000 in Akbar's column. Completed. You may also write narration, materials, comma, mixture taken over. Materials, comma, mixture taken over. Understand? Next, other entries, no other entries. Okay. Yes. Next, please see problem. Point number F. Amar took up 60% of the shares and Akbar took up the balance shares at an agreed valuation of rupees 15 per shares. When equity shares taken over by Amar and Akbar at the time of closure of joint venture ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಶೇರಿಗೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆನ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್ ಬೈ co-venturer, entry co-venturers account detail to equity shares account. Understand? Amar's account detail, Akbar's account detail to equity shares account. ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Understand? ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್. ನೋಟ್ 1, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, write down equity shares allocated to Amar and Akbar. Next, write down total contract price 50 lakhs given in the problem. Contract price received in cash, you already know this one. 80% received in cash, 50 lakhs into 80%, rupees 40 lakhs. Next, remaining in the form of equity shares. Contract price received in the form of equity shares, 50 lakhs into 20%, 80. Okay, 100 minus 80 equal to how much? 20%. Understand? 50 lakhs into 20%. Is it rupees 10 lakhs? Okay, 10 lakhs worth equity shares issued by ABC Limited to joint venture. Understand? 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶಾರ್ಸ್ 10 lakhs divided by issue price. I already told you issue price how much? 20 rupees. Okay, divide ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 50,000 shares. Okay, it comes 50,000 shares. Contract price received in the form of equity shares how much? 50,000 shares. Completed? At the time of closure of joint venture, 60% of the 50,000 shares taken over by Amar and remaining 40% taken over by Akbar at an agreed value rupees 15 per share. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಆಗೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 50,000 ಷೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ABC ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ನವರು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ಗೆ, ಆ 50,000 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 60% ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಮರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಶೇರಿಗೆ 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದ 40% ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಲೋಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಮರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. Right in bracket 50,000 into 60% equal to 30,000 shares taken over by Amar into agreed price 15. 30,000 into 15. How much is it? 4,50,000. Understand? This one recorded in co-venturers account. Okay. This is the equity share price taken over by Amar. Okay. Next. Equity shares allocated to Akbar and its value 50,000 into 40% equal to 20,000 shares into rupees 15. How much? Rupees 3 lakh. Okay, this is the value of equity shares taken over by Akbar. This 4,50,000 and 3 lakhs recorded in co-venturers account. Write down when shares taken over by co-venturer entry. Co-venturers account detail to equity shares account. Okay. Write in debit side to equity shares account. Okay. Amar's column write down 4,50,000. Next Akbar's account write down 3 lakhs. Write in bracket shares allocated. Write in bracket note 1. Completed? Yes. Next please see any other information to be recorded. Yes. Okay, point number G, accounts were settled. Okay, we have to settle co-venturers account. Understand? Yes. Next, balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet. Find out which side shows more balance. Okay. First, total. Okay, total it. Amar's column total ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ. Which side shows more balance? Credit side shows more balance. 14 lakh plus 70,000 plus 19 lakh 43,333. Is it 34 lakh 13,333? Check it. Yes, correct. Next, write it in debit side 34 lakh 13,333. Next, find out the difference 34 lakh 13,333. 13,333 minus 40,000 minus 4 lakh 50,000. How much? Is it 29 lakh? Is it 29 lakh 23,333? Check it. Yes, correct. 29 lakh 23,333. Next, Akbar column total ಮಾಡಿ. Which side shows more balance? Credit side shows more balance. 7 lakh plus 40,000 plus 10 lakh 96,667. Is it 18 lakh 36,667? Yes, correct. Next, write it in debit side 18 lakh 36,667. Next, find the difference amount. Find out difference. 18 lakh 36,667 minus 60,000 minus 3 lakh. Is it 14 lakh 76,667? Check it. Yes, correct. Okay. In front of the amount, write down when final settlement made to co-venturers entry. Co-venturers account equal to joint bank account. To joint bank account. Amar's column 29 lakh 23,333. Akbar's column 14 lakh 76,667. Right in bracket final settlement. Completed. Next, transfer this entry to joint bank account to close joint bank account. Understand? Yes. Credit side write down by Amar's account 29 lakh 23,333. Next, by Akbar's account 14 lakh 76,667. 14 lakh 76,667. Check it. Correct. Okay. By Amar's account 29 lakh 23,333. By Akbar's account 14 lakh 76,667. Right in bracket final settlement. Completed. Yes. Next, total it 14 lakh plus 7 lakh plus 40 lakh plus 1,85,000 plus 15,000. Is it 63 lakhs? Yes. Right in debit side 63 lakhs. Next, right in credit side 63 lakhs. Completed. Yes. Joint bank account over. Okay. These are some information relating to problem number 5. We prepared joint venture account, joint bank account, co-venturers account. Understand? Thank you.